Okay, scholars, today we're going to talk about changing fractions to decimals and percents and back again. So, when you're converting fractions to decimals, you really do need to use the calculator. Use the calculator. And you're going to divide 9 by 16. So if you're doing it by hand, it's going to look like this. If you're doing it on the calculator, it's going to look like this. And when you do that, you'll get this answer here, 0.5625 as your decimal. And then to change that into a percent, you move the decimal 2 places to the right, 1, 2, and add a percent sign, 56.25%. Okay? And we'll try that a little more in a second. When you're going from a percent to decimals, you do the opposite. You move the decimal, you change this to a decimal and move it 2 places to the left, 1, 2. So that gives you 0.84. And really, a decimal means out of 100. So to change it to a fraction, you put 84 over 100. And then you simplify that by dividing by the greatest common factor, which would be 4. Divide top and bottom by 4. And that gives you 21 over 25. All right? So we're going to leave the rest of these for you to complete on your own. Take a picture and turn it in. These are due Thursday of this week. All right. See you next time.